get in some BTST ideas as well. Vaishali, what's on your list?
So one of them is BEL, because I think that stock has shown a lot of strength since quite some time. So I have recommended this stock with a stop loss of 194. My target would be 202. That is one of the stocks. The other one that I'm looking at is also Canara Bank, because in the mid cap category, Canara Bank has been showing a lot of strength. So I would say, well, with a stop loss of 568, this can go to 588. So these are two of my BTST trades.
Okay. Kunal, what about your strategies?
So I'll go with the Ban Engineers India. After yesterday's 10% up move, the stock is a lot more somber today. So expecting this to be a very strong up move over the next couple of days. So buy with a target of 205, stop loss at 188. And Jindal Steel is something which I've been bullish on. The stock is almost now at 830, 840 levels. So looks attractive even from current levels. Would continue to hold on the bullish view. Targets remain at 880 and stop loss I'm revising it from 770 to now 800.
Okay, let's begin winding up for the week and the day. Let me take it across to Vinny then and hand it over for the closing trades.
So absolutely seems like at least today we'll be ending on the positive note. 0.3% of gain off the day's highest point, and even the week that the Nifty will be closing for is almost a 0.5% uptick for the Nifty for the week as well. When you're looking at it in terms of the top gainers that one should watch out for the week will be Tata Steel, Maruti, those leading the gains. And today itself, when you look at it, the auto players have been doing quite well. So Maruti, Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, all of them have been buzzing in today. Other than that, when you're looking at just today's day, we did have the mid and small cap holding on to good gains, better than what the benchmark indices are doing, at least at the end of the day. Mid and small cap are doing slightly better than the benchmark indices. Mid cap up 0.6%, small cap up 0.7%. Realty, Nifty Realty among the top sectoral gainer today, and we do have look at Prestige Estate, Brigade Enterprises, DLF, Godrej Properties, all of them managing to hold on to very good gains. Nifty Realty, when you look at it for the week also, has managed to see very strong gains, and that is why will be closing and snapping its 3-week losing streak will be the Nifty Realty sector. PSUs, let's look at what the PSU banks are doing as well, something like an SBI, what that is holding on to, and Nifty PSU also managing to close on a positive note today as well. SBI managing to close with gains of almost 0.3% in trade. Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, all these managing to hold on to some bit of a gain on that front. Nifty Pharma, that's another one that has been buzzing in trade today. We do have Sun Pharma, Cipla, all these names buzzing away. While also let's pull up some of these individual names on the back of news flow that we had. IT stocks actually under pressure because Accenture reported its numbers. Weak set of numbers came in from Accenture overnight, and that is why IT was the top loser. In the Nifty 50 as well, all these names are falling. TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, all the mid-cap IT names also down and out in trade. Schneider Electric, that's the one should watch out for. We did see a run-up coming in this stock, almost 13% uptick after some newspaper reports suggested that they will be investing 3,200 crores. So on the back of that, Schneider was buzzing. Amber Enterprises was buzzing after we had a brokerage note from CLSA where they had upgraded the stock to and buy from a previous outperform rating, hike the target price as well. Sarda Energy today in focus on the back of a news flow as well, and closing with strong gains is Sarda Energy as well, gains of almost 10 to 11%, and footwear stocks like Metro Brands as well as Bata managed to see some bit of a gain as well. Lastly, also let's not forget for the week we are seeing that Nifty IT actually hit a 2-month low this week, and that was the top sectoral loser, down 6% for the week, and clear pressure coming in on Nifty IT for the week. We have Coforge, Infosys, which were declining the most in the Nifty IT pack. FMCG also saw a very sharp decline as well. Second consecutive week of decline that one could be watching out for from the FMCG pack. Tata Consumers, HUL among the top losers in the FMCG pack. Other than that, Nifty Metal, that's a very, very good run up this week. National Aluminium Company, that's Nalco, Jindal Steel, all of them were buzzing away in trade. Yesterday, a bit subdued, but all these stocks saw a good run up during the week. And that's how we're going to be wrapping this edition on Closing Trades, this week's edition of Closing Trades as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.